Do you know people who spend their life as though everything is an emergency? Maybe they're always running behind, overloaded on their schedule, and they never ever catch up. They're just those people. They're just always frantic about everything. It's an emergency and I got to do it now. I got to do it right now or the whole world is going to end or my life will never be fulfilled, or it just gets really crazy out there. What I'm going to tell you to do is call out all the fake emergencies. Look, there are things that are emergencies from time to time. Now and then those do happen. And when a real, authentic emergency happens, then you focus on it and you do everything necessary to the best of your ability to bring about the best conclusion to that emergency that you can do. But there are things that aren't an emergency and there are things that aren't worth it. And if you treat them like an emergency, you could make things a whole lot worse. Don't go that route. Ask yourself, is this really an emergency or is this a fake emergency? And if you're one of those people that are into the fake emergencies, you need to have a little talk with yourself because you're addicted to the adrenaline. You're addicted to the chemical rush that you get thinking you're under an emergency. Not really a good way to live your life long term. Need to learn to relax. Those chemicals that flow through your body when you relax are much healthier for you. You will live a longer, healthier, fuller life overall if you learn to focus in on those. And so what we're going to do is we're going to seek first the kingdom of God and his righteousness. That's Matthew 6:33. We're going to learn about the peace that passes understanding, Philippians 4:7. We're also going to learn about that contentment that Paul talked about there in Philippians chapter 4. Also, we're going to learn all of these things. And one of the things that we're going to use is the what if tool. What if I don't do this particular thing? What if I take this off of my schedule? What if I just cancel this? What if I never ever do this particular item that is crowding my schedule tighter and tighter and tighter? Will the world really end? Will it really be over? Or will you find yourself with 30, 40 minutes or an hour to truly relax and take care of yourself? Because good stewardship is not just about taking care of other things and other people. Good stewardship is also about taking care of the steward. And part of that is to learn that everything is not an emergency. So if this applies to your life, give it some serious thought and play the what if game. What if I just dropped that? What if I never did that again for the rest of my life? What would really change? Would it be a disaster? Or would it be freedom? Have a great day.